And so I actually got the crank measured, or my bad, weighed when I got back, and it weighs like 25 pounds. That's why these bottom ends are so heavy. See, oh yeah, so I got my motor mounts on there. Let's see here, hold it up. All right, there it goes. All right, and then so right here, looks like this is your lever. Yep. Goes this way, okay. So when you start it, you just want to make sure that that's held wide open, and that allows all the oil to come through. So you want to put like a string on that, or just make sure that it's open. Okay. And then on these, it's just like a O-ring, but I mean, mine only has, you know, it's still pretty fresh. So that's why I'm only doing like the gaskets I need when I got a full gasket kit. And again, just make sure that your surface is nice and clean. Let's see, is it? Yep, this way should be right. Alright, I gotta move this. Alright, and then you just want to make sure that your drive lines up. So it looks like I gotta spin my crank over to about right there. Nope, a little bit less. Kind of work it in, and there it goes. And this one's an 8 mil. Alright. Now I'm just going to use a little ratchet because these really don't take much. That's good. And that's good. Alright, and then you just want to start hooking everything up again. The way that everything's bent, you just kind of like are able to tell where they each go. And then I remember this thing went under there and up between these. So you just want to make sure that that gets done. Oh, and then this one out here. And then really like make sure you get all of these little clips back over your hoses, because if you miss one, then you get everything all back in and put together, and then you find out that you're leaking a little bit of oil. No one wants that. So put all your clamps on nice, right over the little nipple there, so that the hose is nice and held on. And even double check them to make sure that you got them all. Alright, so it looks like I got all 5 of them. They are all nice and tight. Everything's good there. And then I'm just gonna swing this up and through here. Like it was. Make sure I don't get caught on nothing. Alright. So, should look just like that, I believe. And then, I still got, man, in here got a little rough. So when I wiped it with the rag, that's the only problem with these red rags. They work really nice, but for cleaning stuff, they leave all their little fibers around. And so I still got to clean out my reeds. But then once those are cleaned, then it looks like those are just going to be the next thing to put on. I mean, besides the cylinders, I guess I could do, or the pistons. But, oh, actually, I'm going to do my motor mounts before anything. See if I can remember what way these suckers went on here. Or I might do this side, because I need somewhere to prop the motor up on. So, I'm actually going to do the flywheel. And guys, this is my first time working on one of these, so we're both learning here. Just trying to teach you guys as I go and as I learn. So, again, just want to make sure that your surface is nice and clean, and then you can use just gasket maker for this too. And I gotta get the flywheel on here yet, and the recoil cup, or whatever you want to call that metal thing on the flywheel. And so here's my flywheel. I want to make sure that it's nice and clean. So if you got some brake clean or something, just spray it off quick. Make sure you wear your safety glasses. And I'm going to give this a quick spray. Mine's getting a little rusty right there. And then a little bit all around it. So, and then make sure that your magnet on the inside is nice and clean. You don't want any metal on that. And if you guys have a hot tank too, I think I'm actually just gonna just spray mine off. But on older sleds and stuff, when they start to get pretty bad, because they got that where is it? Oh, I think it's on the other case. They got a little like cap hole. They just put a little piece of tape. It always breaks, and then some dirt gets in your flywheel there. So just gotta spray it off quick. Alright, let me grab a fresh rag. Just try to really wipe it all down. This one's actually cleaning up really nice. I'm sure if you put it in a ultrasonic wash, it would get that little bit of surface rust right off, but that's not going to affect nothing. You just want to make sure that it's not too bad. This sled wasn't really taken care of, so it's got some corrosion and stuff. I don't know if you guys can really see that, but it's all over the cases and the tunnel and stuff, so it's not the best, but I mean, for low miles, kind of, you guys gotta pick what you want. Find something low miles and hope that's reliable, but they're not always like that. So I got this one really clean here. So I'm just gonna line up my keyway right there and slide it right back on. And it is magnetic, so it's just gonna pull right on there. And you just kind of wanna find that right spot where it wants to slide on. Hold up. I lost my flashlight. This can be a little tricky. Oh my god, that's a strong magnet. Oh man. Ah. Anyways, I'm gonna go grab my flashlight so I can see what's going on.